3, 4, 5, and not 6, not 7, not 8, not 9, but 10,000 sites and apps that I'm going to share with you today on how to make money online using sites and apps and websites that are going to pay you money while at home. This is quite important and very true to you. You have the internet, you have your phone, you have any gadget that you have, and this is quite simple. So stay tuned. This is Arnest Digits. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Now, this is about money. It's just cash. In fact, I'm working on wait. I'm working on one of the websites that are going to help you to make money online. And if you want to know how I make most of these videos online, and I share most of these videos, I edit with my own gadget, my own smartphone, I can do this for you. Just go down there and comment which mobile phone or which gadget are you watching me from. This is quite important to you because I've produced more videos about how to make money online. And as you can see, we have Hope, we have about Hope reviews, legit money online. This one's about Cloud Shout. We have moreshop.com. We have how to analyze news. Who doesn't know that? Simple, no experience required. $90 daily. How to analyze, just if it's unique or not unique. We have how to invest with Google Pay Kenya. If you're there and you want this to your inbox, and I have another strategy that I'm going to share with you on the simplest way. If you need the simple way on how to make e-commerce or your business strive out. If you have small business that you are thinking how to go about, just comment down there below and click on the link that I've shared down there, and I'll share most of this. If I get you clicked, then I have a PDF format, an ebook that has been written, and it's free of charge. I'm not charging anyone. This is free for you, as I do. Now let's see who wants the book, and I'll share with you immediately. I want to share today, it's about taking photos and making money. That is what we are focusing on today. What you have to do is go to Play Store and download this app, and I will also leave the link of how to download it on the description down here on this YouTube channel. So let's log in and see. Let's install this app and see how it works. Remember, this is a premise take photos and earn money review. This is 2020 edition, so we want to see if it is true it pays you. But I want to see its review because it has 4 stars. That one means 59,000 downloads. That one means it's rigid. And when you look at some of the, let's go and see some of the reviews and how many people have downloaded so far. As you can see, what does it say? It says complete task and earn money. Premise lets you earn money by taking photos and answering questions about your community. What you have to do, share your local knowledge, explore your city, and extra money in your local area. So what you have to do is, as you can see, 3 stars have been given, very many people have been given, so, and the reviews are quite well. This is a very recent comment. As you can see, it's 19 of August 2020, just some 2 weeks ago. It is indeed a good earning application. Now I only need 8 pesos to request for a cash out through top up. So let's see, all these are some of the reviews and comments about the app. I want us to log into this app. So this is the premise app. What you have to do is you'll have to confirm with your location, and then you can sign up using your Facebook page or your Gmail account. Automatically, when you put your location on, it starts locating you where you are, and it will come back and tell you exactly where you're found, and then it will give you an option to allow some apps to run, the app to run So give it permissions and then start the tasks now. Called SMS Profit demo. So this one here, it's another app that you can make money while at home, doing simple things like receiving SMS. What you do with the receiving with the SMS, it's upon you. Delete them or just leave them in your phone. Nothing else can do. So what happens is this app is about receiving those SMS in your phone and delete them. The more you receive them, the SMSs, it's an automation system that is being put on trial. So as you can see, it's a demo. So what happens, the app itself is running, but the creators of certain sites and developers, what they do, they want to know whether the SMSs are working or not. If you receive them, there's nothing you can do with the SMS. What you have to do is delete. Simple. Now this app here, let's see how it looks like. What you have to do is earn money every day. We pay you to receive SMS. Simple. Dual SIM supported, more numbers, more money. So when you have more phones, like now, this is what my strategy. I believe it can work for you and it can work. Like we have guys who have 3 to 4 smartphones. On that, inside the smartphone, you have 2 SIM cards or 3 or other phone with 2. So if you have 4 SIM cards, which means or 6, you can receive more money just on your name and start making money. So use that strategy and you'll get more money with this app called SMS Profit. I don't want to install it because let's just go through the reviews. You can see this is 4.2 reviews and it has had a lot of downloads, 3k reviews, 3.5 MB, 100,000 and more downloads have been done so far. Recent, very recent review and comment says, I got my 5th payout. This app is awesome as it pays you without doing anything aside from installing and let it send you messages. The only problem that I don't receive messages on a daily basis. Of course, you cannot expect. This is a free platform, so expect some downfalls and so forth. What I do is I put a disclaimer here that do not depend on them entirely. What you have to do is this is for passive income, and if you're looking for an all-time how to make money online, how to get money, like making your business come online, even if it's just a small business like $10, $100,000 or something like that, below that you are able to make more money online. Ask me how. Let me know in the comments below what type of business do you want to start, and let's connect and have it. This is Arnest Digits. Follow this strategy every day and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are listening to